Hi guys, what is up? Welcome and welcome back. If you are a new viewer, welcome. And if you are just here to return to watch my reaction, welcome back. So right now, I'm featuring someone new on my page, right? I haven't heard of these people before. I've seen a lot of reactions about them, but not to do a reaction to them, right? So I'm gonna react to Nightwish. I'm pretty sure I know nothing at all about Nightwish. In fact, it's my very first time even doing a reaction to Nightwish. But what we're gonna react to on Nightwish is the Phantom of the Opera official live, right? So hopefully, if you guys do like this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a part of the Jamaican troupe. In fact, greetings from Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. Where I'm from, I haven't seen none of these reactions taking place about the Nightwish people. So maybe or maybe not, I'm the first, right? But if I'm not, let me know in the comment section if you have seen any Jamaican reacted to the Nightwish before. But without further ado, people, let's see what the Nightwish are capable of right now. I'll be right back. Peace. Okay, guys, take a walk with me. Let's dive in.
In sleep he sang to me, in dreams he came, that voice which calls to me and speaks my name, and do I
Amazing voice. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the fuck, bro? She's so gorgeous. I mean, like, I really do love that dress, bro. I love that dress so much. Her voice is amazing. Her eyes are cute. Ah, perfect. Let's continue.
dream again, for now I find the phantom of the opera is here inside my
Hold on a moment, guys. Does these people, right, who are in the congregation, or I can say the stadium or wherever she's at, or a venue, right? Are these people a part of her let's see, troupe, or they're just fans? Because ain't no way. These people knows the song so well, right? And I'm not even familiar with this song, right? So I want to learn more about her, right? Wow, whoa, whoa, whoa. I can even see bands there too. So I'm guessing it's something phenomenal going on forward. Let's continue.
Say once again with me, I trace wet my power over you, grow stronger yet.
Oh, Buccaneer guys. Whoa, 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 bro, whoa. Like, I wasn't even expecting that. So I guess the Nightwish has a multiple of people. So is Nightwish a band or a group of singers or what? Because I'm kind of new. So if you guys wanna um teach me something, or let's see. If you guys want to educate me on this, please let me know, because I'm already in love with this so far. It is perfect. Let's continue.
Though you turn from me to glass behind, the phantom of the open rising inside your mind.
Those who
Guys, I'm in love with bands, right? I'm in love with all type of music, but in certain aspect though, because in certain music I won't react to, because some of these music have a lot of things in it that I'm not really a fan of, right? But this bands that is playing now is a superstar bands, bro. What? This is crazy. Let's continue.
have seen your face, door breaking fear. I am the mask you wear.
My feet they'll hear your spirit and my voice. They won't combine. The sound of the open rising inside your
Oh, I love the combination. I love the combination. Both voices that are synchronized together is a perfect combination, right? These two people who are performing now, perfect. Just perfect, guys. Just perfect. Whoa, this is amazing. And to be honest, I'm loving it so far. I have no regrets thus far, right? I have no regrets. Wow. They are impressive. They've impressed me, right? Because I was thinking that the Nightwish are some people who just sing music and it has no substance, I think. But this music has substance, because I'm impressed by it so far. Let's continue.
when all your fantasies you always knew that man and mystery.
We both
To be
believe.
honest, they have earned a fan, right? These two people have earned a Jamaican fan. Reason number one, they can sing very well. Reason number two, the combination is perfect. Reason number three, they are doing excellent with those bands, right? And I'm a fan of the man who is playing the guitar, bro. The guitar, yeah, 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 man, yeah, man, yeah. I'm a fan. I'm a big fan. Let's continue. Let's do more. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. That woman there, she's dope, right? How can she go so high with that trembling voice? Like, how can it so perfectly synchronizing? Oh man, guys, like, I love this so much. I love this so much. These two people, right? They are killing it. Oh god, man, this is so nice. All this time, I'm so interested in his performance. I wasn't even expecting that it was a woman playing that drum, bro. That this band is amazing. I've reacted to Ramstein before, but this is sick. This is full of vibes. This is full of energy. It is so energetic. It seems as if I'm in that crowd, reeling myself. I can feel the performance from here. Very energetic, very good, very very good. Wonderful music, wonderful performance. It is amazing.
Kiitos!
Yeah, guys, this was well done. An amazing job. Yeah, I love the rock and roll bands though. It's perfect, quite amazing. For people, if you do like my reactions, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace out.